Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the comic book effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Make sure your subject doesn't have a background. If your subject does have a background, you can remove it using the Object Selection tool. Convert your layer to a smart object by right-clicking on the layer and convert to Smart Object. Go to Image, Adjustments, and select Shadows and Highlights. Put the amount to 100%. You can right-click the Smart Filter layer and delete the filter mask, because we don't need that. To smooth out the picture, go to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. Go down to Detail and select the Noise Reduction to 100%. To make it even more smoother, go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter again, go to Detail again, put the Noise Reduction to 100. This time, put the Saturation to 0 to make it black and white. To smooth it even more, go to Filter, Stylize, and Oil Paint. Put the Stylization and Cleanliness to 10. Put the Scale and Bristle to 0. Now go to Image, Adjustments, and select Threshold. Use this to find a good point for your darkest blacks. Press OK. By pressing Command J or Ctrl J on PC, make two duplicates of this layer. Double click on the first layer and name it Lines. Name this one Gray, and then name the bottom one Black. Make the top layer invisible for now. Select the Threshold effect on the middle one, and put it even more to the middle. Insert a halftone texture that you can find on Google. Make sure it's above our gray layer, right click, create a clipping mask. For the halftone texture, put the blending mode to screen. And for the gray layer, put the blending mode to multiply. Turn on our lines layer, turn off the threshold effect for now, and you can put the oil paint one in the trash. Select the lines layer, go to Filter, Other, and add the high pass filter. Select the radius to 2. Put the high pass effect under the threshold, turn threshold on again, and adjust it until you get the lines, but try not get the whole picture colored black. Press OK when you're happy with how it looks. Select the blending mode for the lines layer to multiply. By holding Shift and selecting all of these layers, and pressing Command G or on PC Ctrl G, you can put all your layers in a group. Color your background into a gray color, click on your group, go to Effects, Blending Options, put a small black stroke around your group, add a white drop shadow. Make sure the spread is set to 100%. When you're happy with how it looks, press OK. Make a new folder and rename it to Colors. Select the blending mode for the new folder to multiply. Open our last folder, select one of the layers while holding Command to get a selection of our subject. You can close the folder now. Go to our new folder and create a mask. Inside the folder, create a new adjustment layer. Go to Solid Color, select the color that you want. I need yellow. Click on the mask and press Command I, or on PC Ctrl I. Select a white brush and start painting over your subject. When you want to make another color, go to Adjustments, Solid Color, and just select the new color that you want to use. Again, select the mask and invert it. As you can see, it's very important to take your time with the coloring so the picture can look as good as it can be. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.